Hey guys, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is our Super Saturday video and we're going to start off with a speed makeup. So I just thought I would come in and let you guys know that today we're going to try the TikTok method with my Futurist. I haven't tried it with this one yet, so that is what our speed makeup is going to be today. I will show you hopefully everything I use as I go. Otherwise, it will all be listed below. So let's get started. Hey guys, so today we are going to make chili. This is Katie's famous turkey chili. So first I'm going to show you all the ingredients, then I'm going to go chop everything up, come back, and we're going to put it all together, and you know how it works. So anyways, what you need is this is a 3-pound pack of ground turkey. She had a 2.5 pound, but they had a 3-pound one at mine, so we're using 3 pounds just because that's what they had. So you need turkey, 1 box of chicken broth. I got the chicken bone broth. I accidentally got reduced sodium. I didn't want reduced sodium, so I'm gonna add 3 chicken bouillons just to put the salt back in there because I wasn't paying attention. 3 bell peppers. What's next? 1 yellow onion, chopped up. We're gonna chop all this stuff up. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. A can, this is a 28-ounce can, I think. Yeah, 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes. A 7-ounce can of chopped green chilies. A 15-ounce can of black beans, a 15-ounce can of red kidney beans, and a 15-ounce can of pinto beans. And then it says add crushed peppers. It doesn't say how much, so you have to have crushed red peppers. And then you basically add it to taste, however much you want in there. And 1 jalapeno pepper, which is hiding way over here in the corner. And we're gonna chop him up too. But we got 1 jalapeno pepper, and this stuff is so good. But you will also need sour cream cheese And we're gonna make this Jiffy cornbread to go with it. Because this is how I ate it, and this is how I know it's so super, super good, is when you put the cheese in it, and then you put sour cream, like a blob of sour cream, and then you put the cornbread in the chili. Oh my gosh, it was so good. I had it at my daughter's house. So this is the first time I've made it, but I'm gonna make, this is exactly, she gave me the recipe, so this is her recipe, and it was so good. In fact, we had it twice. I was there for 2 weeks and we had it twice. Actually, the second time we had it though was because I wanted the recipe, and so she just made it again and showed me how to do it. So I'm gonna chop this stuff up. Well, first, actually, you're supposed to put this in the pan and then add this chicken broth to it, and that's how you cook it. You cook the meat in the chicken broth, and I'm gonna throw these bouillon cubes in there. But normally, if you just don't get the reduced salt, then you don't need the bouillon cubes. But since I did, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna get this started, and I'll be back after I chop up these veggies. Okay, so now we've got the turkey is cooked inside the broth. We're gonna add all the other ingredients. This is the bell peppers. There is a seed. That's how I got all those out. Anyways, we're gonna add the bell peppers in. This is 3 bell peppers all chopped up. And then we're gonna add the jalapeno, 1 jalapeno. I took the seeds out because that's what makes it hot, and I don't like things hot. A can of green chilies. Diced green chilies. A 7-ounce can. This is the bigger can. Can of kidney beans. Can of pinto beans. Can of black beans. One chopped yellow onion. One 28-ounce bigger can of diced tomatoes. And 1 tablespoon of garlic, sorry. 1 tablespoon of garlic. That's a heaping tablespoon, but I like garlic, so it's fine. And then some red peppers. You know, just however many you want. I don't like that many because, like I said, I don't like things hot. So I'm gonna put this on the stove to cook. I've already mixed up 2 boxes of the cornbread. I'm waiting for the oven to preheat, and I'm gonna stick that in the oven for 20 minutes, and hopefully this will take about 20 minutes, and then I will show you what it looks like when it's done. It's so good. So I'll be back. Okay guys, it's ready. This is what it looks like. I don't know, there. It's super hot, but it's so good. So you take and you put your sour cream, you put a blob of sour cream in it. I like a lot of sour cream. So you put some sour cream in it, some cheese, and I just bought the Colby shredded mix thing. Put some cheese in it. Try not to get it stuck in your fingernails. And then you put your, see, this is the cornbread. Doesn't look delicious? It's delicious too. It overcooked a little bit. It said 20 to 25 minutes, and I cooked it for 20, and it's like super done. And this is 2 boxes, this, because I made 1 box and I already had that pan out and it wasn't enough. So I just went ahead and made another box. And I put my cornbread right into the mix. And it is so, so good. Crunch up your cornbread in there. And I don't know if I can take a bite. It's really, really hot. But I'll try and stir some of this sour cream in there. That'll cool it down a little bit. Oh, it's so good though. All right, so I got a piece of cornbread. Let me blow on it for a minute. because you guys don't want to see me burn, right? Still so delicious. You guys are gonna love this one. And it's really easy to make, and it makes a ton. So we're gonna have this all week, probably. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Stay cool.